Welcome to M&L Windows and Doors, where cutting-edge technology meets exquisite design, crafting the future of modern living with our revolutionary ultra-slim frame windows and doors. From our expansive, state-of-the-art facility, we redefine architectural possibilities. Witness the seamless integration of innovation and precision that sets us apart in the global market. Every masterpiece starts with superior materials. In our raw material workshop, only the high-grade aluminum alloys are meticulously prepared and pre-treated, forming the robust yet slender foundation of our durable and elegant narrow frame solutions. Beyond the frames, the right hardware elevates the experience. Our dedicated accessories warehouse houses a vast array of high-quality, meticulously organized components, all ready to be seamlessly integrated, ensuring smooth operation, enhanced security, and lasting durability. Precision begins even before production. Our intelligent warehousing system meticulously manages every profile and component, ensuring optimal stock levels, flawless traceability, and just-in-time material delivery to our production lines. The heart of our frame precision lies in our intelligent CNC workshops. Here, advanced end milling and punching machines, controlled by sophisticated software, execute intricate cuts and perfect perforations. This critical step ensures the exact fit and superior structural integrity essential for our signature ultra-slim frames. Through a synchronized dance of automation and skilled craftsmanship, our production lines transform raw materials into exquisite window and door systems. Each stage, from precise cutting and assembly to glazing and multi-point sealing, is executed with unwavering attention to detail, upholding our promise of quality and performance for every narrow frame.